In manufacturing and industrial businesses, everything runs on precision. Every process, every metric, every detail is tracked and optimized for efficiency. But here's the problem. When it comes to marketing and sales, that same precision often disappears. Many companies know their machinery down to the last bolt, but not their buyer. They can measure production output to the decimal, but they can't clearly define who their best fit customers actually are. That's why ideal client and audience targeting is one of the most valuable systems inside Brand Growth AIOS framework. It applies the same discipline that manufacturers use on the production floor to their marketing, their sales, and their growth strategy. When you combine that with AI integration, targeting becomes a continuous intelligence loop, identifying the high-value clients, refining your communication, and aligning your entire operation around the customers that matter most. Now, here's where most manufacturers run into trouble. Their marketing speaks to everyone instead of specific industries or decision roles. Sales teams spend time chasing leads that aren't operationally or financially aligned, and product teams design solutions based on assumptions rather than actual customer behaviors. All of that creates inefficiency far beyond the production line. It slows down growth, increases acquisition costs, and weakens competitive differentiation. A systemized approach, like Brand Identified's ideal client and audience targeting framework, fixes that by using data to define exactly who you serve best and why. Here's how AI takes that precision even further. It analyzes your sales and your CRM data to identify patterns among your most profitable clients. It predicts buying cycles and intent so that your outreach is timed perfectly. It refines communication for specific buyer roles, whether you're speaking to engineers, procurement officers, or plant managers, so that your message always lands where it should. AI even flags poor fit leads before they waste time and resources. And with shared dashboards, it aligns sales, marketing, and operations around the same audience data, creating full organizational alignment. At Brand Identified, we've built a 6-step framework to make this process repeatable and scalable. We define your audience using 10 foundational targeting questions. We clarify the data into clear, actionable audience segments. We structure detailed buyer personas that outline the pain points and the decision-making patterns. We embed those insights into your CRM, your marketing, and your sales systems. We show you how to refine your messaging so that every piece of content speaks directly to your audience. And finally, we review the results quarterly using AI analytics to measure lead quality, deal conversion, and retention. When manufacturers bring that same process-driven discipline to audience clarity, the results are powerful. You get higher quality leads because your outreach is more focused. Sales cycles get shorter because you're speaking to the decision makers, not the gatekeepers. Client relationships strengthen because every team is aligned around the same goals, and acquisition costs drop because every dollar is invested where it counts the most. That's what Brand Growth AIOS makes possible. It integrates targeting, analytics, and automation across all 60 areas of your business, creating a living system that continuously learns, adapts, and improves. The truth is, precision doesn't end at the assembly line. The manufacturers of the future won't just build better products, they will build stronger relationships. AI makes that possible by helping you understand your clients as clearly as you understand your production metrics. When your ideal client strategy evolves in real time, every sale, every partnership, and every decision reflects intelligent, intentional growth. That is the power of Brand Growth AIOS, and that's how precision drives performance.